Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here. We're going to do a clean with me in our old farmhouse, unrenovated kitchen. So no pressure. Nothing has to be perfect here on YouTube. This is not a perfect kitchen. And guess what? I'm okay with it. We are living in a 100-year-old farmhouse and we have been renovating since we've owned it. So we've done a lot of the bigger renovations that, don't really add that little touch of grace. It's been bigger things, windows, roof, etc. But we are going to be doing an exciting renovation this summer, which will be our kitchen. So you got to see the ugly before you see the pretty. So here's the clean with me in our big, unrenovated kitchen that's had many DIY projects. And I hope that this inspires you to fall in love with your own imperfect house if it is imperfect, and to love it for the moment it is in as opposed to waiting for perfection. One of the things I love about this kitchen is how big it is. So I feel like it's such a fantastic canvas to work with for renovating and designing. And we have, my goodness, okay, so in my mind and on paper, because I've drawn out plans, but I cannot wait to implement the design that I have in mind for this kitchen. Where my table is that I'm waving off right now is going to be an island. And I need your help. Do I put my kitchen sink on the island and look out into the yard, because on the other side of this camera is a sliding door? Or do I keep my sink where it is? What do you think? Leave a comment below and let me know your opinion. Should I put the sink in the island or keep the sink in the place that it is? Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I hope you found some cleaning motivations. So one of the things I do want to end this video with is our laundry room. So just to give you a little bit of a taste of my style and the renovations that we have done, this is one of the rooms that we redid, and this is off of the kitchen. So where our harvest table is going to go, when you look into the laundry room, or when you look towards the door there from the kitchen, this is the area that you're going to see. So I wanted the laundry room slash mud room to be pretty, and I wanted to give you a little taste of my style and some of the renovations that have been completed in this house. Again, thank you so much everyone for sticking around. I hope you subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.